Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P062F pertains to a malfunction within the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, particularly related to the Keep Alive Memory, or KAM. The KAM is crucial because it stores vital information about the vehicle's operation, such as adaptive learning parameters, even when the vehicle is turned off. If the KAM experiences an error, it could lead to various performance issues as the PCM relies on this stored information to optimize engine management and fuel efficiency. This Diagnostic Trouble Code is specific to Honda CRV models from 2011 to 2016 and has implications for maintaining the vehicle's optimal performance. Before starting any troubleshooting steps, it is essential to record all freeze data and any onboard snapshot, as this information provides a backdrop for understanding the failure context. Additionally, per the guidelines, reviewing general troubleshooting information is critical for a systematic approach to diagnose and resolve the issue. The error identified by DTC P062F indicates an internal control module Keep Alive memory problem within the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM. The PCM is the computer that manages the vehicle's engine and transmission functions, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. If there's a failure in the KM, it means that crucial operational data may not be retained when the vehicle is turned off, which can disrupt the engine management system's effectiveness. The PCM is typically located in the engine compartment, often mounted near the battery or fender well, making it accessible for testing and replacement. Recognizing the role of the PCM and the KM is essential, as any issues can lead to a cascade of operational failures in the vehicle. Systematic verification steps must be taken to confirm the persistence of the DTC during the diagnostic process. The possible causes of DTC P062F include a few critical components and scenarios that need careful examination. One potential cause is a faulty powertrain control module, which may have internal component failures preventing it from effectively storing Keep Alive memory. Another cause could be outdated PCM software. Manufacturers periodically release software updates that enhance vehicle performance and fix bugs. If the PCM is operating on an older version, it might trigger this error code. Additionally, issues with electrical connections leading to the PCM can create instability in communication, leading to data corruption, particularly the KAM. Diagnosing these components methodically is vital, as it ensures that appropriate actions are taken to resolve the error. Each potential cause requires thorough investigation using diagnostic tools like the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, to pinpoint the actual issue. Symptoms arising from DTC P062F can manifest in several noticeable ways. One common symptom is improper engine behavior, which may include stalling, hesitation during acceleration, or fluctuating idle speed, indicating that the engine management system is not functioning correctly due to the KAM error. Additionally, drivers may notice dashboard warning lights illuminated, particularly the check engine light, signaling a problem in the engine management system that needs attention. A significant impact might also be felt in fuel efficiency. If the PCM cannot properly manage fuel delivery and engine operation, it can lead to higher fuel consumption. Recognizing these symptoms early on can be important in preventing further damage to other engine components. Drivers should be aware of these signs and report them promptly to a technician for thorough diagnostics and remediation. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P062F involves verifying the problem by following specific procedures. Begin by turning the ignition switch to the on position, which powers the vehicle's electronics but does not start the engine. Once in this position, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, to clear the Diagnostic Trouble Code. This action resets any stored faults that may interpret past failures. After the DTC is cleared, it is crucial to check whether any pending or confirmed DTCs appear on the HDS. The presence of DTC P062F after clearing indicates that the failure persists and further action is warranted. Proper documentation of all readings is essential for tracking any evolving issues. This methodical approach sets the foundation for accurate diagnostics in the subsequent steps. In this step, the focus shifts to verifying the failure once again, especially after the initial reset of the DTC. If DTC P062F is indicated again, it is essential to replicate the failure condition. This verification confirms that the error is consistent and not an intermittent issue. If failure duplication occurs and the PCM does not have the latest software, it may require an update. Manufacturers often release software updates to rectify known issues and improve functionality. In cases where the software update does not rectify the error, the next line of action is to substitute the current PCM with a known good unit. This substitution will help determine whether the original PCM is indeed faulty or if the issue lies elsewhere. Care should be taken to ensure that all substituted components are compatible with the vehicle. Verification is crucial for ensuring that the root cause is accurately addressed. After addressing the PCM update and potential substitution, this step focuses on re-evaluating the situation. Begin by checking for any pending or confirmed DTCs once more using the HDS. Monitoring the DTCs after any interventions helps identify if the steps taken were successful in rectifying the issue. If DTC P062F remains and the PCM has already been updated, resubstituting a known good PCM is essential. This double-checking process ensures that the original PCM is indeed failing if the same DTC persists. Should the already substituted PCM not replicate the error, the replacement may confirm that the original module was malfunctioning, warranting a permanent solution. It's an integral part of the troubleshooting to confirm the effectiveness of repairs through diligent rechecking of DTCs. The final repair verification process is critical to confirm whether the previously implemented troubleshooting measures have resolved the issue indicated by DTC P062F. Begin by clearing the DTC once again using the HDS, followed by taking the vehicle for a test drive. Observing the vehicle's behavior during various operational conditions is crucial. It helps in assessing the success of the repair. After the test drive, it is important to check for any new pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS. This step ensures that no other underlying issues are present that could lead to erroneous vehicle operation, providing a clean slate to confirm repair success. Comprehensive testing will validate whether the issue has been resolved or if additional actions are necessary. Preventive maintenance is essential to ensure that DTC P062F does not reoccur in the future. Regular software updates for the PCM must be performed based on manufacturer recommendations. These updates are vital in preventing software-related issues that could impact the KAM. Routine checks on electrical connections related to the PCM are also important. Ensuring that all connectors are secure and free of corrosion will help maintain integrity in communications. Conducting periodic diagnostic scans of the vehicle system can reveal any early signs of failure, enabling prompt corrective action before major issues arise. Building a routine maintenance schedule will assist vehicle owners in identifying potential problems before they lead to substantial downtime or repairs, promoting overall vehicle reliability and efficiency. In conclusion, DTC P062F signifies a keep alive memory error within the powertrain control module, potentially leading to various performance issues in Honda CRV models from 2011 to 2016. The role of the PCM is paramount in managing engine functions, and any failure in retaining KAM can disrupt the overall vehicle performance. Systematic troubleshooting involving verifying the DTC, updating the PCM, or substituting with known good parts is essential for accurately diagnosing and repairing this issue. Furthermore, implementing preventive maintenance can contribute significantly to the vehicle's reliability and longevity, reducing the chances of recurring problems. Awareness of symptoms and keeping abreast of any software updates can lead to a more optimal vehicle performance. The process outlined here emphasizes attention to detail and thoroughness, essential traits for effective vehicle servicing. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.